In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clean Windows 11 junk files, updated 2026 full guide. Keeping your PC free of clutter helps it start faster, frees up storage, and can even reduce small glitches caused by outdated temporary data. We'll use Disk Cleanup, a safe, built-in Windows tool, so there's nothing extra to download. Start by opening the Windows search panel. Press the Windows key and S together, type Disk Cleanup, and open the app. This classic utility is still present in Windows 11, and it's great for clearing out old temp files and other leftovers. When Disk Cleanup opens, you'll be asked which drive to clean. Choose your main system drive, usually the C drive, and click OK. The tool will scan for files you can safely remove. Give it a moment. Scanning time depends on how much data it finds. After the scan, you'll see a list of categories. Check temporary files to remove items Windows no longer needs, like leftover setup files and cached data. Check Recycle Bin to permanently delete anything you've already sent there. You can also select other unwanted data, such as thumbnails or delivery optimization files, to recover more space. Take a moment to review the descriptions at the bottom of the window as you click each category. This helps you understand what's being removed. If there's anything you're unsure about, simply leave it unchecked. Once you're comfortable with your selections, confirm the cleanup when prompted so Disk Cleanup can proceed. For a deeper sweep, click Cleanup System Files. Windows may ask for permission to continue. Select the C drive again and let it rescan. You'll now see additional categories, such as Windows Update Cleanup or previous installation files, which can reclaim a lot of space. Be thoughtful here. Once you remove things like old update backups, you won't be able to roll back to those older states. Recheck temporary files, recycle bin, and any other unwanted data, then confirm the cleanup when asked. The tool will remove what it can immediately and schedule anything in use to be cleared at restart. To finish the process, restart your computer. Save your work first. The restart finalizes any pending removals, refreshes caches, and ensures your system starts with a cleaner slate. That's it. By using Disk Cleanup, you've safely cleared Windows 11 junk files without installing extra software. Consider repeating this routine every month or after large updates to keep your PC smooth, responsive, and clutter-free.